Hey everyone, welcome to Jotform. My name is Kimberly, and today we're going to walk through how to pre-fill your forms with your CRM data. The first step is to choose which form you're going to want to choose the pre-fill option for. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. I'm going to click Edit Form, pre-fill option 4. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. I'm going to click Edit Form. As you can see, this form is extremely simple. Just for the sake of this video, we only have the name and the email form field. So in order to get the pre-fill started, we're going to go up to the top underneath Publish. Then over on the left-hand side underneath Email, we have Prefill. As you can see, there's a lot of different ways that you can pre-fill your form, but for the sake of this video, we're going to be focusing on the CRMs, Salesforce and HubSpot. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Salesforce Prefill, and we need to authenticate our account. As you can see, it's going to pull from either our contacts or our leads for this information. And then it also says if we want to create unique pre-filled, we can. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the account. And then we can choose which list, the contacts or the leads. For this, I'm going to go ahead and choose the contacts. And as you can see, it went ahead and matched and mapped the form fields that are already in our form with the data from Salesforce. Now, for any reason it doesn't, there is this blue Add More button. So let's say it missed birthday and we had a birthday field. We can just come in here and choose a birth date, and then we would choose the birthday field. For this one, we're going to keep it, again, very simple, just the name and the email. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now, this is where Jotform is going to allow us to create a specific link for each person. This is going to allow us to send that pre-filled form to everyone. So I'm going to go ahead and click right here, create a pre-filled URL. And I'm just going to choose a few people. If you want to choose select all, you can. I'm just going to choose a few for right now. Go ahead and click create. Now, as you can see, each person has their own unique form ID. And over here on the right-hand side, we can choose, they can edit it, or it's going to be read-only. For this, I want them to be able to edit it if their email address has changed or updated, or maybe they got married, they need to change their last name. I want to make sure that's editable. Let's go ahead and click on this one. And there we go. We can see Liz's information was pre-filled for her, so she doesn't have to do anything except for to verify that it's correct and hit that submit button. All right, let's go back. I want to show you how to send these links to everyone individually. So I'm going to go ahead and come up here and click on Select All, and then this button right here, it says Send Invitation. Then down here at the bottom, we have an optional message. If you want to add in any instructions for completing or reviewing their pre-filled form, you can add it here. Then you would hit Send Invitation. Super simple. Now let's go back and let's add in HubSpot. Let's see what that looks like. All right, looks pretty similar, right? It's going to look at contacts and companies. So I'm going to go ahead and choose which one. I'm going to want to choose my contacts. It went ahead again, matched those fields. Let's click Save. Let's create our pre-filled URL. Let's do Select All since there's only two. Create. Same thing. It gave us that very specific URL for each person. Let's go ahead and click on Maria's. There we go. Maria's information is already pre-populated. I'm going to come back, click on Select All, Send Invitation. And if you have a message that you want to add, you can add it in here and send invitation. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions in regards to pre-filling from a CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, definitely let us know, and I'll see you next time.